Now let's say that a phase is composed of two parts. One is called UAT, user acceptance test, and the other one is regression test. So when we finish the test, we have a new release of the website, and we're going to check that our findings have been implemented. So we test again. So user acceptance test and regression and. So I'm going to use these two for two reasons. I'm gonna put them here. The first one here, this is, the other one is, I don't know, also gray like this. And user acceptance test, the end is, and regression ends is 2 weeks after. So is work day, this 10 days after, range holidays. So if I have I can also rework this. I'm going to insert this, and I'm going to following. If this one, so if this one then I'm going to put this one, otherwise empty. Okay, I'm gonna format this like this. You will see this, and if I'm going to, so here is empty. I need to drag this, very good. So C20 is absolute reference. This is reference by column only. So I'm gonna drag this. Here you can see. Unfortunately, I have this form. Okay, here we are. And then, so we know this one is equal to this one. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to select this control. New rule using a formula. Okay, and this formula is, if this to the row is less or equal than this absolute, or fill this one. New rule, formula, if this, only reference to the board, is greater than this, to an end. Two is not greater than the end, close. Okay, if I'm going to copy this, okay, I'm going to increase 10 days, conditional formatting. This is going to apply conditional formatting. Also this one is root. Okay, here we are. That's good. Here we can also replace conditional formatting only for and keep neutral the first line. Okay, so regression test. I can continue here. Here you can see I'm stopping even if I to understand why there is this, but I can drag only. Okay, you can see here only until this day. I'm gonna drag this as well. Okay, I think reason I have copied this. I'm gonna cut this, but for the moment we're going to leave it.